Hi guys, my name is Marlene. So I am here at Hanay Hanay San Jose, Negros Oriental. So if you wanna have a good coffee and a delicious delicacies food and also a nice view like mountain view, so you can come here at Alimyon Cafe. So let's go.
Tara!
Marlene, who is your friend?
Agnes.
Agnes?
Hi guys, I'm Agnes.
Daghang steps.
It's so many steps here. You know guys, it's very many steps and it's very kutas kaayo.
Kutas kaayo. What's that mean?
I'm tired.
Kapoy kaayo.
Yeah, kapoy.
But
oh,
you
I
are.
forgot count the steps. I started 1, 2, 3,
Please do not bring in outside food and drinks. Drinks na lang kami. So here we are at Alimyon Cafe, as you can see. Mana ako. Sige. So okay guys, here we are at the Alimyon Cafe, as you can see. Here it is, the cafe. Alimyon Cafe. Okay.
Tara. Let's go.
By the way, no shoes.
By the way, no
Oh, wala
shoes.
shoes? Wala sapatos?
Again, same in Pinbar.
Okay. Why problema? Ali mayon kapihan.
No, it's Alimyon.
Alemyon.
No,
Oh.
not Alimayon.
Alemyon.
Yeah,
Alemyon. Nakalimot ko karon.
I forgot. And also, no shoes.
Wala zapatos
Yeah.
mean shoes.
And also your feet.
Take off your feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Off your feet.
Also you take your feet. Take off your feet. Yeah.
Chada view.
Yeah. It's over.
It says native chicken. Does the chicken say my buntag because it's native? Joke line. What do you like about this area?
It's relaxing and
Native. It's more on
Native.
native. Just look at the, the ambience. It's native. And I really love native things. are inside at Alimyon Cafe. So, they are more on natives. So just like for example this one, this is also a native. This is used for smashing bananas like ninuyang na saging.
And also cassava.
Explain this one also.
And also this one is
Used for
used for
Grind.
grind the corn. It's made from stone, and you can also like this one. Ah, it's very hard.
Wow. Wow.
It's very hard.
what's the other use of that one?
This one is good for pamalo ni nanay. And also for the person na gahig ulo, you suggest use this one.
Hard-headed.
Hard-headed. And you can also put your feet here. It's
Foot spa. Foot spa.
oh, it's made from wood.
That's why it's native. Yung flower dito. Picture niya ako. Dari ko. Dari ba? Dari. Ito nga ba ito?
Pwede ka mo kung like this one.
Sabbath day. Sabbath day. For relax. For the relax.
Wala stress karon. You feel tulog.
So here are the foods that we order. Like this one, this is called budbud. So like you're gonna
What is budbud?
It's sticky rice.
you're gonna peel the leaves. This one, the cover of this one is the banana leaves. Like this one.
And you
This
can
one.
also dip.
And dip at that chocolate
Wow.
made of cacao or cake.
So that's real chocolate.
Like this one.
It's delicious.
Lami kaayo.
And also this one is called linuyang na saging, made of banana with coconut at the top.
Looks tasty.
Like this one.
Try it.
This one is from cute guy look tinidor. The fork is very cute. Maybe I must show you it. Same size.
It looks very nice presentation.
Chocolate.
The chocolate.
Oh, chocolate.
How does it taste?
Good.
Is it sweet like chocolate
Your
or
teeth had a chocolate.
Yeah.
nice?
It's very sweet.
Very sweet.
Then I don't like sweet also
No?
because I have diabetes.
Ah, so you have to be very careful. What's that?
Sugar.
Sugar. Calamay.
Yes,
I
calamari.
remember.
Yeah. Kakalaman. In Cebu, what is
Kamay.
this?
Kamay.
Kamay. Kamay. Same sound. Kamay in Tagalog.
Kamay.
Kamot.
Okay, I stop.
So this is our order. This is our food for today. So this one, as you all know, this is fries with mayonnaise. This one. Okay, and we also ordered coffee. This one, Swiss Miss Coffee Mate, and chocolate made with cacao.
Kikeo.
Wow. Nice.
Chocolate.
So let's dig in. Okay.
That's good.
Ice cream.
Ube champorado.
Ube champurrado. Magbayad ko.
570.